Emerging trends in business analysis and ECBA navigation. One of the most significant trends in business analysis is the focus on data analysis and visualization. With the vast amount of data available to organizations, being able to extract actionable insights is more important than ever. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is another emerging trend in business analysis, allowing organizations to forecast future trends and outcomes based on historical data. This can provide valuable insights for strategic planning and decision-making, helping companies stay ahead of the competition. Market research and competitive intelligence. By understanding market trends and competitor strategies, organizations can identify opportunities and threats, allowing them to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Business intelligence and strategy. This enables companies to respond quickly to changes in the market and stay ahead of the competition. Developing a strong business strategy based on data analysis is key to long-term success. Innovation strategy and competitive analysis. By developing a strong innovation strategy and conducting competitive analysis, organizations can identify areas for growth and develop new products and services that meet customer needs. Performance metrics and market opportunities. Measuring performance metrics is essential for tracking business success and identifying areas for improvement. By analyzing market opportunities and customer behavior, organizations can develop strategies that drive growth and maximize profitability. Conclusion. In conclusion, business analysis and ECBA navigation are essential components of modern business strategy.